So this is Julius Nyerere Road, Makongolo Avenue, as you see, man. It's another roundabout. Maybe it's the biggest here in Mwanza. Wow, just have a look, man, at this city, you know. Mwanza is a beautiful city, very beautiful. Just look, you know, have a look. It's clean, man. It's so beautiful, you know, very beautiful. And this is the park, you know. People come and they rest. Wow. There are people who are sitting there, you know, they are resting, you know. There is a lot of sunshine here, so that's why they are resting there. Man, this is Mwanza. Welcome to Mwanza. Karibu. Hello guys, this is Fiikazzo Traveller. I'm a travel vlogger, you know, coming live from Mwanza City, you know. Mwanza City. So this is Mwanza City, you know. Wow, the first impression. Just look, you know. Mwanza is so beautiful. So guys, this is Nyerere Road in Mwanza city center, or in Mwanza town. Here in Tanzania, it's called the Nyerere Road. It's one of the busiest road here in Tanzania. Wow, just look how the people are living, you know. This is the real life here in Tanzania. Just look how the people are living, you know. So it's a busy street here in Tanzania town, you know. This is a hotel, you know. It's called Mipa Hotel. Wow, it's so beautiful. So it's a hotel here in Mwanza town. Wow, so beautiful. So the transports here in Mwanza, they use this motorcycle, boda boda, and tuk-tuk, even a bus. So to move around here in Mwanza town, it's just very easy. Even to move in Tanzania around, you know, the buses are available, you know, so it's very easy to move around here in Mwanza town, you know. Yeah. Wow, so guys, Mwanza is a beautiful town, as you see. It's a beautiful town. I told you we are at the Nyerere Road. This is Nyerere Road, you know. So this is a roundabout, Nyerere Road. We're gonna reach at the roundabout. So this is a matatu here in Mwanza. Just look how it is, man. So beautiful. So this is Nyerere Road. Wow. Roundabout. Yeah. We are at the roundabout. Just look how it's beautiful. Man. Mwanza is so beautiful. So beautiful. I don't know how to tell you this, but you guys, you have to come and see by yourself, you know. Mwanza is so beautiful. It's a beautiful town here. It's a town or a city? You just tell me in the comment section if it's a town or a city. Yeah. So this is Mongo House. Wow, so beautiful. But for me, I know it's the second city here in Tanzania. Second largest city in Tanzania. So It's beautiful. Jambo. So even the people here are so beautiful, you know, the people are amazing, you know, they are hosting. The people in Mwanza, they are so beautiful, you know. Wow, guys, just have this view, you know. That is why Mwanza is becoming the biggest city in East Africa. Wow. So this is the city center of Mwanza, Mwanza town, you know. The city center. My friend, is a beautiful town, you know. It's so beautiful here in Mwanza. Wow. So nowadays there's no street vendors. They have removed the street vendors on the streets of Mwanza. So now you see, now the city is clean, you know. It's beautiful, you know. So they have already removed the vendors. Yeah, the street vendors. Yeah. Wow. So I was telling you about Tanzanian people. They are so beautiful. They are so hosting. They host. Man, they have just treated me well, Tanzanian. I salute you so much. You know, they are so beautiful people. Wow. Even if language is a barrier here, because of they speak Swahili only, English is a little bit, but you can find also the people who speak Swahili here in Tanzania. You can find them here, you know. So guys, it's so beautiful here in Mwanza. So this is the second largest city. Please enjoy the view, man. This is the first impression here in Mwanza city, you know. The first impression. I'm in downtown, not right now, you know. Man, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. So this is called Louis Regasore Street, as you see. Yeah. Ruiz. Salama. Yeah. Ruiz Regasore Street, man. Mwanza is so beautiful. So guys, you can come and visit this beautiful city. I told you it's becoming the biggest city here in the East Africa, you know. Just look how it is, man. It's a beautiful. And another thing you have to know, it's a port city, you know, because it has Lake Victoria. Wow. It's a port city, man. Just have this view. Have this, man. Okay. Wow. Look at this tallest building, man. So this is called the Sheikh Amini Street, you know. It's Sheikh Amini Street. Salama. Yeah. Salama. Mimi natoka Rwanda.
Natoka Rwanda?
Yeah.
Hivi?
Niko traveler.
Karibu sana Tanzania.
Asante sana. Salama. Yeah. Wow, so the people here, they're so beautiful, you know. In Tanzania, they're so beautiful, man. You know, guys, another thing I know, I've known here, there are a lot of people who speak in Rwanda, you know, and Kirundi. So there are Banyarwandas here, there's Balundi. This is Patrice Lumumba Road, you know, so I will show you also. This is Patrice Lumumba Road. So I was telling you that there are a lot of Rwandese here in Mwanza and a lot of Burundians in Mwanza. So even that border guy was just asking me if I know Kinyarwanda, you know. So he was just talking in Kinyarwanda, man. So it's a beautiful thing to just hear someone who is from your country just talking to you in another country, man. It's a beautiful, you know. So guys, as you see, I'm in this town, you know, of Mwanza. We are just walking, you know. I'm just showing you the impression here in Mwanza. So beautiful, yes. Let me still give you the ultimate tour here in Mwanza town. Wow. Yeah, Mwanza is so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Just have this look, you know. Have this look, you know. This is the downtown of Mwanza. Wow. I'm very impressed with this city of Mwanza. So impressed. Wow. So guys, please like this video. I beg you, give it a like, you know, share, and just give me a comment. Tell me, how do you see this port city of Mwanza? You know, this is a port city of Mwanza. Just tell me, how do you see it, you know? Wow. And another thing you have to know is cleanest city, man. Mwanza is the cleanest city in Tanzania. Just look, it's clean, you know, there's no garbage. My friend, you know, it's a clean city here. There's no garbage. So clean, you know, organized. Just look how the car are parked, you know. It's very organized, man. Mwanza is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city. Very, very organized, man. And with the very warming people. People here in Mwanza are so very beautiful, are good, you know. They are very welcoming, you know. Man, I don't know how to say this, but Mwanza, I salute you, you know. I salute. Wow. This is Mwanza, so, you know, even the people respect the traffic lights. As you see now, we are here at the lights here in Mwanza, so people are really respecting the traffic light, of course. Wow. Mwanza is so beautiful. So beautiful. So guys, I'm still showing you the city of Mwanza. Wow, just look. Mwanza town, the stone, the rock city, you know. Yeah, Mwanza is also has the name of the rock city, man. Mwanza is a rock city. Wow. It's the rock city, man. Mwanza. So beautiful. Here, the rock city. You know, the people respect the lights. You know, this is a thing that shows that the city is very organized, you know, when the people respect the traffic lights, you know. So it's something that shows you that this city is very organized. It's very clean, you know. Wow. It's so beautiful. Wow, just have this look, you know. This is Mwanza city. In Tanzania. Salama. Yeah. Wow. We are in the rock city here in Mwanza, guys. As you see, the beautiful city here in Tanzania. Wow.